When I dance, they call me Macarena, and the boys they say que soy buena. They all want me, they can't have me, so they all come and dance beside me. Move with me, chant with me, and if you're good, I'll take you home with me.
Hala tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, que tu cuerpo para dar la alegría y cosas buenas. Hala tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, Macarena. Hala tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, que tu cuerpo para dar la alegría y cosas buenas. Hala tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, Macarena.
Now don't you worry about my boyfriend, the boy whose name is Vitorino. I don't want him, couldn't stand him, he was no good so I. Now, come on, what was I supposed to do? He was in town, and his two friends were so fine.
Hala tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, que tu cuerpo es para dar la alegría y cosas buenas. Hala tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, Macarena. Hala tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, que tu cuerpo es para dar la alegría y cosas buenas. Hala tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, Macarena.
Go on, leave me breathless. Come on. The daylight's fading slowly, but time with you is standing still. I'm waiting for you only. The slightest touch and I feel you. I cannot hide from you. I cannot hide. I'm losing will to try. Can't hide it, can't fight it. So go on, come on, leave me breathless. Gently, deeply, till I can't deny this love and feeling. Make me long for your kiss. So yeah, come on. And if there's no tomorrow, then all we have is here and now. I'm happy just to have you. You're all the love I need somehow. It's not a dream, although I know
Welcome part 1 Noon Edition Series 1:11 p.m. June 2024. Grasya 11 kutsara kanon, 11 kutsara pork humba, upat duha ka tilap. Ay, duha ka tilap tanda ito. Ba upat ka tilap. Upat ka tilap data to. Sige na kong ligo dagat. Tapos naga-shower ko sa pinakaunahan. Nagawan man ko, naga-stopwatch. Okay, mabalik ako sa dagat-dagat. Ingon daw ni mama kay muuli lang mi taud-taud. Quran ko nga unya pala 5 muuli. Okay guys, tikatik na si mama no. Naka full charge akong cellphone, may na lang. For 98% na karon. Sige, balik ako sa dagat. Ligo ko usab. Nahunas na karon. Mga I think alas 10 or alas 11 pasado. Nawala ang pagka high tide. High tide mo to ganiya sa 8 pasado. Babay ta kita sa Revex vlog taga picture.